All cartographers and railway buffs and people that love the British Isles, especially walking along railway tracks and disused ones, there are many. Here are the stations and the sidings, the signal boxes, the tunnels, level crossings, depots, bridges and military installations. On the Atlas of the Southern Railway, which existed between the 1st of January 1923 and the 31st of December 1947. That's not a mistake. That is a legend to these incredible maps. I don't know if you can see that. You can see the double track running lines, single tracks, gated, private sidings, overhead gantry signal box, and so on. So for the railway historian and the enthusiast, there are maps throughout and a gazetteer, a £30 glossy pages on this book, and it's just £15 through bibliophilebooks.com. Incredibly detailed mapping. Atlas of the Southern Railway.